Bharat, dear students. Today we will see our next point, that is characteristics of computer. Okay, let us start. Today, computer can perform most of the task quickly and accurately, saving a lot of time and efforts, right? Um, because of computer, it's possible to complete our work in a short time, right? And we don't have to do any hard work for that. Computer work for longer hours without getting tired and store a lot of data, right? Computer works for long time and it never gets tired, and it store also our information, our data which we are working on a computer, right? So let us see the characteristics of computer that make them the most revolutionary machine of this age. It means a strongest machine using the latest technology in this age. So first is computer are fast. Yes, computer are very fast. They are doing their work quickly. It means speed. The first characteristic of computer is speed. Computers are fast, right? Computer think in milliseconds. It means without wasting a second, it thinks in a millisecond. That means processor of a computer can perform billions of circulation in a second. It means without taking much time, it performs the billions of calculations in a second. Means you have to just give the inputs, and it without thinking it directly start giving the output whatever given data by the user. Understanding, children? So the first characteristic of a computer is computers are fast. That means speed. Okay, now we'll see the amazing fact. Okay, IBM's Deep Blue supercomputer could think 200 million positions of chess pieces in 1 second. Okay, means 200 billion position of chess pieces in 1 second. Okay, by the supercomputer, means supercomputer can perform on that game, right? So our second characteristic of a computer is computers don't goof up, means accuracy. They never make mistakes. Yes, possibility is there if users gives the wrong data or the wrong input, right? Computers are accurate in calculation, however their accuracy depends on the accuracy of input. As I said, agar aap log you will give the correct input, so it gives you the correct output, right? So it totally depends on the user. This means computers will only give incorrect output if input is incorrect. This is called garbage in, garbage out, GIGO process. Okay, so you should give a complete and correct input to the computer. On that basis, you will get the correct output. Understanding, children? So second characteristic of a computer is accuracy, right? That is, computers don't goof up. Now the third characteristic of a computer is computers are efficient, means versatile. Computers are capable to perform a variety of tasks and at the same time, means computers can do many operations, many tasks at the same time. Means at a one time you can do painting, other side you can listen music, you can play games, many more things you can complete it simultaneously using computer. So this is called their versatility, right? For example, you can play a game on a computer while it is playing music, then printing a multi-page document and downloading a file. It means at the same time you will do the painting on your computer, right? You will do the printing, you will play the game, you will download a file from the internet, right? So that's why computers are efficient and they are versatile in work. Okay, now the fourth one characteristic of a computer is computers are tireless and diligent, right? Computers work for longer hours without getting tired, right? We cannot sit at a one place and we cannot do a work for a longer time, but computer, because of that is a machine, and whatever work we are doing on that, it can do for a long time and it never get tired, right? They do not get bored doing the same task again and again. Suppose if our mother gives any work, a same work, we have to do it again and again. Yes, we will shout sometime on our mother, yes, why I'm doing this again and again, now let us escape this, let me do the another thing, let me get up, right? But to the computer cannot do that things, right? It never get bored by doing the same task again and again. Understanding, children, about the diligent of a computer, right? So ability to perform repetitive task for longer duration is called diligence. तो कंप्यूटर क्या करता है, रिपीटेटिव टास्क कर सकता है फॉर अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन, उसको कहते हैं डिलीगेंस, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कंप्यूटर्स वर्किंग एज वेब सर्वर्स ओवर द इंटरनेट वर्क कॉन्स्टेंटली फॉर डेज. मतलब your computer is connected to a internet and you're doing some work on that computer. You have keep some files for downloading. Okay, so it never gets tired. The fifth one characteristic of computer is computer store a lot of data. It means high storage capacity. आप जो भी काम करोगे वो सारा काम you can store it in that computer, because computer is having a high storage data, right? A high storage capacity. Computer store bulk data. Bulk data means what? It comes in a GB, gigabytes, megabytes, right? And terabytes also. A common microcomputer can hold data in terabytes. Even a simple handheld computer has storage capacity in gigabytes, right? So it is having a capacity to store a large amount of data. So this is also a characteristic of a computer. Computer store a lot of data. It means high storage capacity. Now the sixth one characteristic of a computer is computers are automatic. There are several tasks which computers can perform automatically as a routine. For example, computers in a packaging unit control entire process without human intervention. Another example is taking a multiple pages printout. Once you will give the printout command for 100 pages, it will do their work automatically. You no need to interact in between, right? Once command is given, computer can print pages without assistant. आपको बार बार उसको assist करना नहीं पड़ेगा. It will do their work automatically. Understanding? Now the seventh characteristic of a computer is computers are programmable. So for the task that need to be done regularly, the set of instruction is fed into the computer. Once and then computer executes the instruction in a sequence. मतलब जो भी आप instructions दोगे वो computer एक sequence में वो complete करेगा, right? So this set of instruction is called program. Okay, what is a program? Define the term program. So program is a set of instructions. Okay, to run several instructions again and again, we just need to run the program. For example, calculating the grade for all the students, a computer program is used, right? To control the traffic, a traffic control program runs on the computers that controls the traffic. Can you means if you have visited at Mumbai, right? So there many times there is a lot of traffic, right? So there are some traffic signals which are controlling by the computer system. Okay, so this is about characteristic of a computer. Now let us move to the next point, that is limitations of computer. Okay, so while computers often remarkable benefits, they have certain limitations also. Let us have a look at them. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कंप्यूटर्स डू नॉट हैव सेल्फ इंटेलिजेंस. मतलब कंप्यूटर अपने आप अपना खुद का दिमाग नहीं लगा सकते, राइट? दे नीड टू इंस्ट्रक्ट. उनको हमें क्या करना है? इंस्ट्रक्ट देना है, कमांड्स देना है, तभी वो काम कर सकते हैं, राइट? कंप्यूटर्स परफॉर्म एग्जैक्टली द इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर फेड टू देम. They cannot figure out situation on their own. They are unable to take their own decisions. वो अपने खुद के decisions नहीं लेते, right? Now the second limitation of computers cannot learn. वो खुद से नहीं सीखते, right? computers are not able to retain the knowledge and use it further just like we humans do. हम लोग भी खुद से नहीं सीख सकते, right? We need someone or something where we get the knowledge, right? Computer just store the data. The main aim of a computer is to work and to store the information. Now the third limitation of a computer is computer cannot express emotion. कभी देखा है कंप्यूटर को रोते समय, हंसते समय, right? No. So computers cannot express emotions. Computers do not react the situations. The warnings and errors they display are the part of the programs they run. They do not have emotions and feelings. उनको कोई भी emotions और feelings नहीं है. Okay. Now the fourth limitation of computer is कंप्यूटर्स नीड ह्यूमन केयर. मतलब हम लोगों को जो यूज़ करते हैं कंप्यूटर उनको ही कंप्यूटर्स का ध्यान देना पड़ता है, राइट? उनके ऊपर धूल मिट्टी जब जमा होती है तो हम लोगों को ही साफ़ करना पड़ता है, वायरिंग की भी टेक केयर करनी पड़ती है, राइट? सो ह्यूमन्स कंप्यूटर नीड टू बी मेंटेन बाय ह्यूमन बींग्स. दे विल गेट स्पॉइल्ड और malfunction if humans do not take good care of them. वो फिर खराब हो सकते हैं, right? Now the fifth limitation of a computer is computers are automatic but up to some extent only. As on date, computers are mere tools to accomplish tasks accurately, faster and efficiently, but they are not reliable completely. Still, many computer systems need monitoring and control by humans to work, right? Means all that things can be done by humans instructions only. Okay, they are not automatics. Some of work that they can do. Okay, then our next point, I hope you all have understand the limitations of computer. We'll move to the next topic, that is classification according to size. So everyone's know the different types of computers, right? So according to size, computers can be classified in